We treat our bodies like these incredible machines. But let's be honest, we often forget that even the best machines need a little maintenance. So, what if I told you that your body has a secret, built in feature, a factory reset protocol that can literally clean up your cells and give your entire system a powerful refresh? I mean, think about it. When your phone gets laggy and slow, what do? You reset it. When your laptop freezes up, you restart it. So why aren't we doing the same for the most complex, most valuable machine we will ever own? Doesn't your body deserve a reset too? The answer is a huge, resounding yes. And here's the really amazing part. This factory reset isn't some complicated program you need to buy or download. It's an incredible self-repair process your body already knows exactly how to do. All we have to do is learn how to create the right conditions to let it get to work. Okay, so what's the actual science behind this whole factory reset idea? This isn't just some nice metaphor. It's a real, hardwired biological process with a proper scientific name. Let's dive into the science of self-cleaning. So the process is called autophagy. It literally comes from the Greek words auto, meaning self, and phagein, which means to eat. So self-eating. Now, I know it sounds a little weird, but it's this absolutely crucial cleaning process where your cells go around, they identify all the junk, the debris, the damaged parts, and then they basically devour and recycle them. Seriously, think of it as a deep cleaning service for every single cell in your body. And look, this isn't some new wellness trend or a fad. The science of autophagy is so fundamental to our health that back in 2016, a researcher named Yoshino Osumi was awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine for his discoveries on this very topic. He's the one who revealed how our bodies perform this essential housekeeping, and it totally revolutionized how we understand aging and disease. We're talking about serious foundational science here. To really get a grip on how powerful this is, think of it this way. You might have heard of something called apoptosis. That's basically programmed cell death. That's demolition. The whole cell is just wiped out. But autophagy? That's totally different. It's a renovation. It doesn't kill the cell. It just goes in, cleans out all the junk inside, repairs what it can, and gives that cell brand new life. So, our body has this amazing renovation crew just on standby, ready to go. The big question is, how do we call them in for a job? Let's talk about how to flip the autophagy switch. The switch is, well, it's surprisingly simple. It's fasting. See, when you stop eating, your insulin levels drop. And that drop in insulin is the signal to your body that basically says, okay, team, no new fuel is coming in from the outside. It's time to get efficient, use our own internal resources, and fire up the cleaning process. Now, this doesn't happen the second you skip a meal. It's more like a dimmer switch. Autophagy starts to slowly kick in after about 12 to 16 hours of fasting. By the 24-hour mark, it's really hitting its stride, getting up to full speed. But the real magic, the deep cleaning, that happens between 36 and 48 hours. This is peak activation, where your body even starts clearing out some of those dangerous protein plaques linked to diseases like Alzheimer's. So how do you know it's actually working? Well, your body sends some pretty clear signals. And kind of paradoxically, your hunger might actually start to decrease, while at the same time, your mind feels incredibly sharp and clear. This usually goes along with a drop in your blood sugar and a rise in ketones, which is just your body making an alternative fuel source from its own fat. These are all signs the renovation crew is on the job. Okay, so you flip the switch, the cleaning crew is hard at work. What are the results? What kind of upgrades does your human machine actually get from this process? Let's take a look. How about this for an upgrade? 5 times. That's right. Studies have shown that during a fast, the production of human growth hormone can increase by as much as 5 times. And why does that matter? Well, HGH helps you preserve your precious muscle mass while you burn fat for energy. It's an absolutely incredible biological hack. Oh, and the benefits definitely don't stop there. Autophagy boosts a protein called BDNF. You can think of it like fertilizer for your brain cells, which enhances your cognitive function. It also reduces systemic inflammation, gives your immune system a full reboot, and, of course, performs that deep cellular level repair. It's basically like running antivirus software that clears out all the junk data that's linked to aging. And check out this incredible benefit, highlighted by Dr. Boz. A lot of people worry about having loose skin after they lose weight, right? Well, by activating autophagy, your body can actually recycle those excess skin cells, which can lead to tighter skin. It's your body's own internal recycling program on a whole other level. All right, you're convinced. I get it. You want these upgrades. But how do you do it right to get the absolute maximum benefit? It's time to open up the user's manual.
Here are 4 pro tips to really maximize the effect. 1. Prep for your fast with low-carb meals. This helps burn through your sugar stores faster. 2. You can amplify the whole process with a high-intensity workout during your fast. 3. Go ahead and have some green tea or black coffee. Some studies suggest they can actually help. And 4, and this is a big one, break your fast slowly. Don't go for a huge, high-carb meal. You want to ease your system back online gently.
And it's just as important to know what to avoid. These are the things that will stop autophagy dead in its tracks. First, taking amino acid supplements. They tell your body that fuel is coming in, and that immediately flips the off switch. Second, like we just said, breaking your fast with a massive carb-heavy meal. And finally, frequent snacking throughout the day. That just keeps your insulin levels elevated and prevents the cleaning process from ever really getting started in the first place. So, after all of this, we come right back to that central idea. The power to renovate, to repair, and to reboot your own body is already inside you. The whole system is already in place. Your system has a powerful self-healing mechanism, and it is just waiting for a switch to be flipped. So the only question left is, will you be the one to flip it?